Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very valid question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you consider where the price was at its low points on the day this morning and then where it ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very nice bounce on the day, which, like I said, leads to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, the key level to keep an eye on going into Thursday is going to be this mark down here at 70 cents. Why is 70 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 70 cents. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 70 cents. What about areas of resistance? As far as resistances are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. Key level is going to be that purple line there, the famous 50 period simple moving average. If you go back to the history of things, you can see it's already got the track record of knocking down the price. So while I'm not saying that the price can't break through it or anything like that, I'm just saying apparently according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that level and then also be able to stay up above it. However, any way you look at it, got to give credit where credit's due. Very nice bounce on the bulls' part. Now it's just a matter of can they build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.